Welcome to another very quick unboxing from me, Alan here at Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. Seen this once again advertised on eBay well, I couldn't believe it at first. No bids, no offers. It's probably one of, if not the most iconic handset ever, perhaps. Possibly want to debate there in the comment sections, but in essence I placed a bid for £10 for 4 identical handsets. I think 2 of them are possibly locked to a Belgian carrier, but £10, £3.20 delivery for 4 Nokia 3210s. Now, on the website on eBay, there was, let's got a battery in. Okay, that looks pretty good. Tell you what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave that and not put that on charge, because the one that was displaying a BTCellnet carrier on the display was one of these. Is it this one, perhaps? Yeah, was that Proximus. Again, another handset. So yeah, £10, £3.20 delivery. Let's see if I can just prepare myself better by getting a range of, let's see if this switches on. SIM cards. Oh, it does. Very good, very good. Insert SIM card. Now, I've been checking for some time for exactly this handset, for obvious reasons. I believe that goes like that. Could we be that lucky? That seems to, yeah, just slap that in there. Now, as I was mentioning, I've seen these advertised singularly for 20, 25, 30, etc. And I've got one of these broken, but in blue, so that's easy fix. So I popped a O2 SIM card in there, and we've got signal strength, we've got battery strength there, and the iconic handshake. This is looking pretty good. This could have been the one that I seen on eBay with the BTCellnet emblazoned across the front. Let's see if it picks up a signal from the O2 network. We're going to be lucky. SIM card registration failed, that's fine. Still access the menu. It's an old O2 SIM card, in fairness. Okay, that's good. That's switched off. I'm going to remove that. I will obviously be checking to see if it is a double bonus and it is unlocked. I don't know. We'll find out. Do review, the usual stuff. This is handset for my Spanish speaking followers. Número 3 móviles de Nokia. Which one's this? This is the Proximus again. I would be probably stretching my luck if this worked, and I mean all 4, in fairness, they did switch on. All were displaying the menu. We got anything here? No. I'm going to quickly take that out, pop this battery in. I'll swap the battery for one that I know is working. Here we go. Probably say a SIM card failed or not. Can we be, oh, there we go. Look at that. With at least 2 unlocked handsets. 2 unlocked. Unbelievable. 1 let's have a look. 1 okay, that's fine. 1 2 or 2 1. I am absolutely chuffed a bit. I still think even with 1 working unlock, well, to 1 network is a bonus, but for 2 to be unlocked and work, well certainly BT or two, is double the bonus. I could even just sell one and still have made a profit, a nice handsome profit. Let's have a look at this one. This is the last one. So you can see 2 have got the Proximus and 2 haven't. Let's put that as in there. Absolutely thrilled to bits. In pretty good condition considering they're ancient. These are ancient handsets. Oh, will this really come? Oh, what could be? Always be Zen. Okay. Yes, indeed. Absolutely thrilled to bits. Thrilled to bits. We have 3 working handsets. 3 that definitely work on 2. 20. Is it what? 2,000. What am I doing here? I don't seem to be able to do the time correctly. Limit. Cancel. SIM card quit. Okay. Let's have a look. Absolutely buzzing. Extremely happy. Over the moon. Excelente. Très bien. And everything else. Trying to be as international as possible. But yeah. 4. Well, certainly 3 working handsets. 3 working handsets. I'll have to work on the other one, find out why that isn't working. But yeah, 4 Nokia 3210s. Purchase price £10, £3.20 delivery. Came in a woeful packet. In fairness, there is probably, probably about £60–70 worth of handsets sitting here, assuming that they work. So thanks very much. Obviously we'll have a look at some of the ringtones, start up, shut down if possible, and a review of course. Let's have a look. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.